Now about the linear equations in two variables, an equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, a, b, c are the real numbers. This is the symbol of belongingness, that a, b, c all three belongs to the set of real numbers. So this type of equation ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is known as the linear equation in two variables, where symbols x and y are the two variables, their powers are 1 1, so we can say this is the linear equation involving two variables. So I have explained you what is the standard form of the linear equation in two variable. An equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Mandatory condition that a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, and a comma b comma c belonging to R. If a is 0, then what will happen? If a is 0, you can see if a is 0, then this term will be 0 into x plus by plus c is equals to 0. 0 into x becomes 0. 0 plus by plus c is equals to 0. 0 plus by become by plus c is equals to 0. In fact, this is equation, yes, because it has two sides, left and right. It is linear equation because variable has one power, but it is linear equation in one variable, that is in y. That's why a should not be equal to 0. Now b is not equal to 0. If I take, if b is equals to 0, then it will be ax plus 0 into y, ax plus 0 into y plus c is equals to 0. This become ax plus c is equals to 0. This is also linear equation, but this linear equation in how many variables? In one variable. So if a is 0, then this linear equation in two variable converts to linear equation in one variable. If b 0, then the linear equation in two variable converts to linear equation in one variable. That's why we say any equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, and a, b, c are the real numbers. Such an equation is known as the linear equation in two variable.